Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is week 11 of the 16-week trading course. I'm going to be taking you from zero to profitable. If you haven't seen the other videos in the series, make sure to go and watch those now because everything else is not going to make any sense. If you're enjoying this series, let me know in the comments down below. Really is amazing to see those comments where you guys are getting value from these videos. So make sure to put it down in the comments down below. If there's anything that you want me to improve on or change, put it in the comments down below as well. And let's get on with the video. So this is week 11. Last week it was risk management. This week we're going to be doing backtesting. So we're now going to be getting into the heart of the trading strategy, trading plan, and finding out whether your strategy is profitable or not. Backtesting, for me personally, is one of the key things to do to be able to find your trading patterns before they occur. So for me, backtesting is not 100% about finding whether your strategy is profitable. It's about you going through the market and being able to tell whether a setup is going to occur or not. So this is the little bit of work that I want you to be doing today, and it is to be backtesting 100 trades on every currency, commodity, whatever you're going to be trading, every single pair that you're going to be using. So if you've got 5 currency pairs, I want you to be doing 500 trades. Now, when we originally started this series, I said to choose one, and this was the reason why. If you've chosen 17, 18 currencies right now, because you don't know which one to trade, you've got a lot of backtesting to do. Pick one, do 500 trades, and only trade that pair. Now, if you're trading, I don't know, gold, Bitcoin, and USD JPY, they're different things. I do, realize that they're different assets to be trading, but I still want you to be doing 500, not 500, sorry. I still want you to be doing 100 backtest trades each. Whilst you're trading, I want you to be jotting down the entries, the take profits, the stop losses, the gain or loss that you had, and then any notes. And I want you to be doing that for every single trade. So you should have 100 notes as well as 100 trade criteria in that spreadsheet. And the reason for this is once you've finished it, you can then go back and have a look at the patterns that occur every single time there's a winner or every single time there's a loser. So if you just make a note, let's say whenever there's a winner and you notice an engulfing candle, write down engulfing candle, bang, done. And then if you do that for every single time you see it in a winner, you'll realize, every single time there's an engulfing candle, the percentage of winners goes higher. Same thing with the losers. Just make notes. If there's any kind of patterns that you see, we've taken out a high, we've taken out a low, we're above an MA, we're below an MA, whatever it is, write it in that comment section. And at the end of the 100 trades, if you've only got one currency pair or one asset that you're going to be trading, then we can move on to the next thing. So once you've got your 100, as a little bit mentioned before, I want you to analyze it now. So sit down and look at what is working, what isn't working. How many trades do I go into the negative before I have a winner? What's the average? What's the average pips in a winner? What's the average pips in a loser? What's the average winner in terms of a time period, if you know that? I mean, when I was doing my testing, I would write down the average pips of winners and losers, the average time I was in it, the average time I entered, the average time of a winner, average time as a loser, how many losers I would have before I have a winner, how many winners I would have before I have a loser. As many aspects of that trade I could write down as possible, I would try and do that, because the more you can understand that trading plan on that currency pair, the better you're going to understand it and the better that you're going to be able to see if a trade is going to win or not. So there's 3 key areas I want you to focus on. There's 3 key areas I want you to focus on when you're backtesting. That is your win percentage, your drawdown, and your total gain. Just those 3 things, they're the key aspects. Obviously you can do more than that, but you need to have these 3 at least. You can't just say I have 50 winners, 20 losers. It needs to have drawdown, win percentage, total gain. And once you've done this, let me know down in the comments down below. Tell me what you got, tell me your win rate, tell me your drawdown, tell me your total gain, and I'll be able to see that you've done it, and it'll be interesting to see the results that you get. Now, just because of strategy, I know that there's a lot of traders out there that don't want to go below a 50% win rate, or they don't want to be doing 1-to-1s and not get like an 80% win rate. whatever you do, once you've got that 100, in my opinion, if you're above a 15 to 20% return per year, you're good. Now, how do you work that out? If you take all of your trades, let's say it's over a 6-month period, just double it. Simple. However long you've kind of backtested for, it depends on the time frame obviously, but whatever you've done, work out how much you would make in a month, how much you would make in a year, and if that hits your goals, go ahead with it. If it doesn't, don't throw it away just yet. We'll try and work something out next episode, and if it's still not working for you, then put it in the comments down below, and I'll try and give you some tips or any kind of advice that I have to see whether we can improve that strategy a little bit. Or, you know, maybe it's just, you know, you're wanting 100% a month when really it shouldn't be 100% a month. So it depends on the goals, depends on the strategy that you're trading. But let me know down in the comments down below how your backtesting goes. Have fun. I know it can be very kind of boring when you're around like 50, 60 trades in, but let me know how it goes. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day. And remember, traders, trade happy.